Today is 11/14. We're using a flat bar as our method of choice. We're going to be removing this shingle, this wind crease shingle, and we are starting right now. The shingle is old significantly. It's over 25 years old. I want to say it's close to 30.
Granulars a lot.
You're losing a lot of granulars just from trying to do this, and when I say a lot, you can see them just popping off of the shingle itself just from doing that. Just look at the granulars coming off. They're flying. Oh, there's like a puddle of granulars flying off that thing. Just, okay, continue. For video recording purposes, I'm going to make these shorter. I'm going to stop and start again. Thank you.